homemade hot chocolate. We're gonna start off with 100 grams of dark chocolate. Chopping up this chocolate is just gonna help it melt quicker when you put it into your saucepan. Now, if you're preparing this hot chocolate with your kids, you know how they are. They're gonna wanna taste this chocolate. So let them try it out, because they're gonna be thoroughly disappointed. It's a little bit too bitter, but don't worry. Once you're done with this recipe, your kids are gonna love it because it's gonna be absolutely delicious. We're gonna start off by putting 500 milliliters of milk into your saucepan. Put 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you're gonna heat up everything on medium heat. Make sure you stir it regularly with a whisk. We can see the cinnamon sticks have nicely infused their flavor into the milk, so we're gonna just remove them. There's the other one. You can add 1 tablespoon of cacao. Now you're gonna keep whisking this until the cacao is completely incorporated into the milk. Now remove it from the stove top and strain it through a sieve. This will ensure that your hot chocolate is gonna be extra creamy. You could put back your milk into the pot. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Incorporate your chocolate and whisk. Now, depending on how you like the consistency of your hot chocolate, you could cook it longer to make it thicker. And there you have it, a beautiful homemade hot chocolate. Italian hot chocolate. It's a little bit creamier than what you're used to, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. Over here we have 100% unsweetened chocolate. We're gonna start by chopping it up. So there you go. Start cutting it into little pieces. Oh my Lord. This chocolate is flying all over the place. So we're gonna put here about a 1/4 cup of milk, and we're gonna mix in here a tablespoon of cornstarch. And we're just gonna whisk this all together. Now our cornstarch is gonna help thicken our Italian hot chocolate. Now put 1 cup of milk in your sauce pot. Now in medium heat, you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cacao, a little pinch of salt, and whisk it all together. Once all your ingredients are properly integrated, you can introduce your chopped up chocolate and pour over your cornstarch milk and whisk everything together. Look how thick that's becoming. Once it starts getting thick, you can take it off the stove. Oh yeah, look at that. Your kids are gonna love this. Now this Italian hot chocolate is so decadent and creamy. I love eating it with a spoon. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos on screen. Check out my cookbook. You could find the link in the description below or click the book on the screen.